Well, this is word coming in straight from Rahul Gandhi. He has taken upon the electoral process after a report alleging that Mumbai Northwest MP candidate Vaikar Skin had phone that can unlock EVM surfaced. Rahul has said that EVMs in India are a quote-unquote black box and nobody is allowed to scrutinize them, and democracy ends up becoming a sham and prone to fraud when institutions lack accountability. A word certainly coming after the results came out. We have our senior editor Pallavi Ghosh also joining us at the broadcast. Pallavi, a very good afternoon to you. They were quite satisfied when the results actually came out. We did not hear much murmur about the EVM and the electoral process, but now again the topic is surfacing.
Yes, the Congress party has always been against the EVM. They've always said that the electoral process will be free and fair, and these results have come out, and where the opposition has done pretty well for itself, going by the research, and not talking about the EVM, and still the next that would get to EVM. So I think once again the narrative will come back. Many of those who actually lost elections.
I think we lost connection with Pallavi over there, having some difficulties in patching those lines. We'll try to reconnect it. But right now, the big word coming in with regards to the word on EVM coming in straight from the opposition. The EVM topic is back in the picture. Rahul Gandhi has very recently spoken about the electoral process in our country after in fact, a report alleging that Mumbai Northwest MP candidate Vaikar Skin had a phone that can unlock EVM sort of made rounds out in the social media. Rahul Gandhi has also posted on his social media profile X the tweet that we are flashing on the left side of your screens as well. You can clearly see the comment that Rahul Gandhi actually made with regards to the electoral process in our country. And yes, of